Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Keeping your home clean and tidy can feel like a full-time job, but today I'm going to share some shockingly simple tricks to make home upkeep effortless. These tips will save you time and energy so you can focus on enjoying your space instead of constantly cleaning it. Let's start with dusting. Dusting doesn't have to be time-consuming. Use a lint roller to clean lampshades, pillows, and even curtains. It grabs dust way faster than traditional dusters. Here's another trick. Use a dryer sheet on baseboards and blinds. Not only does it clean, but it also leaves a coating that repels dust, so you won't need to clean as often. The kitchen can get messy fast, but here are a few tricks that help maintain it with minimal effort. Line the top of your cabinets with wax paper. Over time, the wax paper collects dust and grease instead of the cabinets. Just replace it every few months. Got a microwave that's hard to scrub? Fill a bowl with water and vinegar, microwave it for 5 minutes and let the steam do the hard work. Wipe down and voila, effortless cleaning. Bathrooms can feel like a pain to clean, but here are a couple of tricks that make it a breeze. First, keep a squeegee in your shower and do a quick wipe down after each shower. It prevents water spots and reduces mildew buildup, making deep cleaning a lot less frequent. And if you want a super clean toilet, just drop a denture tablet in the bowl. It fizzes and removes grime without scrubbing. Now the living room. This area sees a lot of foot traffic, so here are a couple of easy ways to keep it looking fresh. Place doormats inside and outside the door. They trap dirt and reduce the amount you have to vacuum. Also, consider an air purifier to help with dust and pet hair. And for fabric couches, try sprinkling baking soda on them, letting it sit for 15 minutes, and then vacuuming. It absorbs odors and freshens the fabric without any heavy cleaning. Finally, let's talk about clutter. A simple trick? Keep a small basket or tray in each room to gather random items at the end of each day. It keeps surfaces clear and lets you deal with clutter on your own time. Once a week, empty these baskets, returning items to their rightful places. This small habit prevents clutter from building up and saves time overall. So there you have it. Shockingly simple tricks for effortless home upkeep. Try a few of these out, and let me know which one makes the biggest difference for you. If you want more tips like these, make sure to subscribe to Everyday Hacks. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy hacking.